early as the daylight. We out here, man. We out here. On the think about the war, guys. On the think about the war. Comment and make me know. You see me? You want to think about Tommylee versus Masicka. It's a good look for Christmas, you know. I know there and I'm on and I jump out on the scene. That's why I'm not getting a video from me. You see me? I have no time with there. I do some long shift. Comment and make me know what you think about the war. You see me, with Tommylee and Masicka. You see me? The war I look very interested, you know. Very, very interested the war I look. You see me? So, but right now, we can't be biased and say, oh, this man a lead or that man a lead, because I want the war lead up away. You see me? Yeah, man, we want the clash lead up away where we know, say, yo, the clash you can't remember the clash, not true. So, that's the thing, them. You want to know, so the clash you can't remember like Vybzkartel and Movado. You see me? And Bounty and Beanie. I now go talk about no other clash because of them the two clash them I grew up and know about. You see me? Yeah, man, first it was Bounty and Beanie, and now when we grew up in a level where we know, say, yeah, we understand the music the right way. You know, say, yo, that's shit. Movado and Cartel, you see me? Yeah, man, wish me know, say, yo, over on the Gaza side, me did there. So, just one of them things there, peeps. Yeah, but how the war look? Let me know how the clash look, man. You see me? Let me know one of the thoughts on it. Not true. Let me know one of the thoughts on it same way. Who no feel say, yo, or take the trophy, you see me? I no feel say, yo, them sting for try and get the real half of what they can get for the money. For next thing up and running again for Masicka and Tommylee. You see me? And one thing you know, in the people, if Masicka lead in at the studio, you know, I know for sure he can lead on the stage. Because you see Sparta, no, when them man they work stage show, them man they different. You see me? When them man they on the stage, you come like a just a different energy. Yeah, man. So, just let me know what I want to think about the Masicka and the Tommylee clash. So far now, they might find some good song in it, you see me? Yeah, and one thing me know with Tommy I come with some crazy counteraction bar. You see me? Masicka grew one song yesterday, what, 6 minutes? 6 minutes, bro. 6 minutes alone lyrics. You see me? But one thing me I say, me don't want Masicka for changing. Just give it some more real murderer voice. You see me? Yeah. Cause war there, man, you can't sing, you know, the same flow like you sing for the ladies, them, you see me? So the only thing me can say, yo, Masicka lyrically. Yeah, when we say lyrically, but remember people, it's not all about lyrics alone win clash. You see me? Cause I remember, you know, if I was lyrics alone, you know, Vybzkartel and Movado, oh, yo, that feel, say, yo, I teacher, you see me? But melody, you see me? Clarity, all of them things they count. You see me? Wish me know say I teacher win the clash. You see me? Yeah man, wish me know say a real boss man. You see me? Cause you know the badness couldn't do, you know, fully Gaza. You see me? But right now, you know the friends say Gaza, you say Sparta, you see me? But right now we not pick no side. We just know say yo the thing neutral. We are listening what Masicka say, we are listening what Tommylee say, you see me? But me I tell you Tommylee I chat some bomb buckler and sitting still. And as me say people, and about the amount of lyrics for your job. You see me? Cause the Tommylee are the face on Apple Music right now, you know, for the video, you know. You see me best video so far, you know, on Apple Music, you know. You see me number one. Man, number one on Apple Music right now for the best video, you see me? Yeah. I remember, you know, the song with Tommylee do when him hard for control, you know. And I like say, yo, lyrics tonight, you know, overdrive, you know. You see me? But guess what? I know that make the song push the right way, you know. You see part where I say, me heart for control. You see the song there? The song there, man. That song are the song we have a catchiness in it. We know say, yo, people will catch on to the song. Just the part when you say heart for control, cause everybody can sing that. You see me? Everybody can sing over that. Heart for control, me heart for control. Who don't want to sing that? You see me? And the way how he say it. You see me? Yes, so it's not all about deeper lyrics where you deliver in a song when you clash. And the thing them where you say and how you say it. You see me? Yeah, and the counteraction them. You see me? So, on the comment and make me know what I think, not true? Yeah man, on the comment and make me know what I think so far about the clash with Masicka and Tommylee. People, me not get for do no review yet. No review me not get for do. Me not get for do no review after none of the song them. You see me? Not even post, me not get for post them on my Instagram for show you how me busy. Yeah man. But I say you go still, you see me? Cause we have to out here look it same way, you know. You see me? Until the thing right, you know say yo. You see me? Or big up all the vloggers them where I push out the things same way, make the people them know say yo, war a go on, war nice. You see me? Be a traffic on the road this morning. Yeah, peeps. So, you know the thing come on. So, what I do, I jump back live, look more when I go in. So, just stay tuned, you see me? That is it, clock is quick, I'm out.